Hi, I'm Amber Robinson with Robinson Law Group, where we practice exclusively in the area of family law. Home equity in the marital residence is a community property asset in Nevada. It's important here in our market, especially where we've experienced a lot of growth in the last several years. Here in Nevada, we are a community property state. What that means is that all assets acquired during the marriage will be split evenly at the time of divorce, a 50-50 split. It's very easy to divide and figure out what your house is worth, what each partner is going to get upon a divorce when you have purchased the home during the marriage. Where things get more complicated is if one of the spouses owned a house prior to the marriage. How we figure out what the other spouse's community property of that home is worth is something that we look at. We look towards our case law. The case law is called Malmquist, and it's a complicated formula. We have to figure out what the mortgage pay down was by the spouse before they were married, and then we take a look at what the community property payments have been towards that home. It's more complicated than that, but it's not a straight 50-50 division when somebody owned a house prior to marriage. Equity is the value of the asset. So home equity is the value of your home. We figure out what the home equity is by either doing an appraisal or just listing the house for sale, and what it sells for, subtracting the mortgage balance owed. The proceeds are your home equity. In some marriages, one spouse may want to keep the house. So in that example, what we would do is have an appraisal done on the home to figure out what that home is worth, and the partner that wants to keep the home would need to refinance the mortgage into their own name and pay out the partner their share of the community property. Some parties may just decide to sell the home and split the equity evenly. A lot of times what we see is parties that sell may want to pay off the debt through the sale, and then whatever proceeds are left over is divided equally. To schedule a consultation or to learn more about community property rights, you can visit us at www.familylawyerlasvegas.com or call us to schedule a consultation at 702-527-2625.